I, Dennis, take you, Patricia, to be my wife.
I, Patricia, take you, Dennis, to be my husband.
I just want to say one thing. Have you seen any more beauty in your life or what? With them marching up the thing. It's amazing.
Trish, you are a saint for taking one for the team and putting up with him for the rest of your life. You guys have built a beautiful life together.
Dennis, you are the perfect match for Trish, and I'm so glad you two found each other.
You guys were meant to be. The two you guys have is very rare, so just cherish it forever. Love both of you guys.